The colorful do-it-yourself paper bag StarCraft makes decorating your event easy and inexpensive. There are lots of variations you can use to personalize it for any event or any holiday. I'm going to use white paper bags. We're going to color all the surfaces of this bag, the front, the back, and these little inside inserts. So we'll grab either paints or markers, whatever you'd like. Paints will need time to dry, markers would not. So if you're wanting to go faster, markers or crayons are your best idea. I'm going to use my paints, so I'm going to get some out on my plate and I'll be right back with you. Be sure to put a table covering down because this is going to be messy. This is an old plastic tablecloth that I've just cut up into squares and I use it with my grandkids all the time. So sorry it looks so messy. But look how beautiful these paints are. We're going to be using all different colors, and I'm going to start with the flat sides of the bags and make designs and patterns and colors on them of any sort. So have some water handy, and you don't need to be real particular about this. We're not going to be looking at any one thing in particular. So again, you can use markers or you can use paint. There's my first bag. We're going to do the fronts of 8 bags and then let them dry. There's my second bag. My third bag. Oh, this is so much fun. So I finished my 8 different bags and now I'm going to wait for them to dry. With the fronts dry, I'm going to turn it over and I'm going to do the sides next. So I'm going to kind of pull this open, and I'm going to pull this open, and we're going to do these 2 and then kind of just let them sit and dry next. And then lastly, we'll do the back. I may even do some of these in a solid color. And lastly, I'm going to do all the backs of the bags. Okay, now's the fun part. We are going to glue these together and cut them into a shape. I'm using the flat side of the bag, not the side with the flap. And I'm going to run a line of hot glue down the bag in an upside down T shape, and then put the second bag right on top. And that's kind of hot even through the bag. When I get 3 bags together, I'm going to cut the top into kind of a star shape, and then we're going to use that as our pattern for the next bags. Maybe I should just make a triangle up here. Wanting this to look like a star, so I'm just going to cut a shape out of the top like that. And then we're going to, I just don't think I can cut through all 8 bags at once, so I'm doing 3. And then I'll do 3 more. Okay, so now I'm going to cut the shape out of the next 3 bags. So I'm using the first 3 bags as my pattern. Glue on the last 2 bags. Now for the fun part. We're going to open it up. I'm excited. We grab the front of the bag and the back bag. Ooh, what do you think? I'm going to put some hot glue on this front bag and bring that back one around and just glue them together. But you could put Velcro on here, stick on Velcro, and then you can take it apart again. But I'm just going to go ahead and glue it together. Alright. Be careful. Hold that while it cools off, and then we can use a hole punch to punch a hole in the top of one of these tips of the star, and we'll hang it up wherever we would like to. I'm loving the colorful do-it-yourself paper bag StarCraft, aren't you? For more craft ideas you can use to decorate with, come on over to welcometananas.com and join the fun.